Hey guys, what's up? It's time to check out what's in the camera bag and show you how I make my videos. Hey guys, there are no sales this weekend. We got hit with a bit of a blizzard and we are full of snow again. Spring blizzard. Honestly, I think Mother Nature forgot that it's spring here. So I got some shoveling to do. Check back with you in a bit. Well, that should keep the mailman happy. This video has not been sponsored in any way. None of these companies know that we exist. This is not an advertisement or a promotion. I just wanted to show you guys how I make our Bargain Barons videos. This is the gear that I use. Here's my camera bag. So we didn't start out this way. Originally we started out with one camera in a waterproof mount which severely obstructed the microphone. But today we both use microphones. Karen is wired with a wireless microphone made by Rodelink. It's very good. Chargeable batteries for the microphone. This is our dash cam. It's a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. And instead of batteries, we use a converter that plugs into the truck's cigarette lighter. For my main body cam, I use a GoPro Hero 4 Silver. And I have a bunch of rechargeable batteries for that. Each battery lasts a little over an hour. Lately, we've also been using an external microphone for the dash cam, the Ceramonic G mic. As well, each of our GoPro cameras uses a 128 gig micro SD card. The 128 gig cards give about 8 hours of recording time at 1080p. And then I have an extra bag here full of spare parts. I've got a couple extra GoPro cameras in there, some extra memory cards, some extra cables. So here's how I wear the camera. I've got one of these GoPro body harnesses, and I just put that over top. And then I've got a button-up vest, and the buttons allow me to button up around the camera, so the camera can still stick out, but conceal the rest of the vest. Just like this. But what about the microphones, you ask? Well, that's a little bit of a hassle, but I'll show you how that works. So, if this is Karen's mic, she turns it on and plugs her mic in. And she wears that. Now this is my receiver. I have to also turn it on. And it'll start syncing with Karen's mic. And there it is sunk. when I talk into Karen's mic, you can see the receiver receives that. Pretty neat, huh? The GoPro doesn't have a standard mic port, so you have to buy one of these cables. It's an adapter from a standard lavalier microphone end to this mini USB, which is what the GoPro 4 and 3 use. This cable is about $80 Canadian. So from my receiver, I plug into this cable, and then I plug into the GoPro. But we use two microphones. How do we do that? I'll connect the splitter, connect Karen's mic to one side, and then I will connect my mic to this side. Clip that on. Try to get everything tucked in, nice and neat. And there you have it. Another fun toy I've been using for some of our inside shoots is the Evo GP Pro 3-axis handheld gimbal for GoPros, and it is pretty cool. So it's just a couple of pieces and some batteries. And then your GoPro camera just sits inside there. You just screw that down, tighten that little bracket up. Now, to get it started, you have to sort of put it on a level surface, and you just sort of turn it on and hold the button. There it goes. So what this does is it allows me to have smooth video even if I'm shaky. You see that? I'm moving the gimbal all around and it's keeping the camera relatively steady. Now if I spin my arm real fast, it smooths out those spins. It's pretty neat. So to piece everything together with music, the video editor I like to use is a program called Wondershare Filmora. Filmora is a nice, easy to use software. It's not complicated. It's great for amateurs like myself, and it still allows you to put out a great product without having to go to school to learn how to use the program. It's designed in a nice linear timeline style, where you lay out your videos at the top of the timeline, and then you can add text and music to them. Filmora comes with a large selection of music you can use, or you can import your own music. And they've got all sorts of handy tools to allow you to transition between video. It's a really great program if you're just getting started in video editing. And I get my music from a website called epidemicsound.com. The thing I like about Epidemic Sound is that they have a ton of great music and sound effects that you can use on your videos, and they're coming out with new music all the time. It does cost $15 a month, but with that I can use any of their music in any of my videos, and I can monetize those videos. Another great feature about Epidemic Sound is their use of what they call stems, where they will break a track down. So let's say I just like the drum track of a song, I can download just the drum track. Or if I like the entire song except the lyrics, I can choose to download all parts of that song except the singing and essentially make that song an instrumental. Another great feature about Epidemic Sound, you can search music by genre, moods, movement, places, and even specify the energy levels, tempo, and length of your songs. I hope you enjoyed this look into how I make our videos. Remember, the most important part about your videos is your story. It's not your equipment, it's not your camera. Any way that you can get your story out to the world, that's the most important thing. And now here's a quick update. Remember the china cabinet we bought from Yvonne? Well, we filled it up with all sorts of goodies. Take a look. So a while back, we bought a goat stool.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Yeah, I think so.
Isn't that neat?
Because even those legs are curved.
So that's like 19 years plus.
Is it?
It was my dad's grandmother. Yeah.
That I've never ever seen, and I've seen a lot of furniture.
Yeah, I know.
That's gorgeous. Isn't that cute?
We were in the middle of filming a project vlog, but I ended up losing that footage when my hard drive crashed. But I still wanted to show you guys the finished product. So Karen's gone ahead and used some green velvet as well as some green rope trim to finish this off with. Even our shovel is vintage. It's an old metal shovel. We don't use that plastic crap. Yeah, I thought I would show you how boat sails. Hey guys, so as you know, we got a blizzard. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope everybody's doing well. We got hit with a blizzard last, and so when I talk in, also know that everything I'm going to talk about, I just wanted to show you guys how I make our bargain Oh, my back is sore. Ugh. Oh, got a sore back. Snow shoveling. It's good for broken backs and heart attacks. That's my friend Anthony says anyway. He's a wise man. Anthony the Wise. There's a nice ring to it, eh? Oh, excuse yourself. My phone just made a rude noise. And there we go.